There was much to celebrate today for the BJP, which finally feels that it's made serious inroads into the northeast with the victory in Assam. What is also good news for the party is that the Congress and its allies are now down to just 7 states, most of them not very big.
Celebrations returned to the BJP headquarters in Delhi, the first time since September 2014. The BJP has won Assam, for the first time opened its tally in Kerala, and despite Mamata wave, won seats in West Bengal. Adding to the victory was the Congress's dismal performance.
ये नतीजे भारतीय जनता पार्टी के लिए, एनडीए के लिए अत्यंत उत्साहवर्धक है।
भारतीय जनता पार्टी ने जो नारा दिया है कांग्रेस मुक्त भारत, उसमें 2 कदम देश और आगे बढ़ा है। भारतीय जनता पार्टी ने 2019 के लिए एक स्टॉन्च फाउंडेशन डालने का काम इस सभी राज्यों में किया है।
Today's victory is also an indication of how the BJP has been quick to learn from its lessons in Delhi and Bihar. This time the campaign was state-specific, with local leaders and issues being the focus.
Personally, I have learned so many lessons from Delhi and Bihar.
The BJP's national sweep is now impressive. The BJP with its allies now rules 13 states. The BJP has also made inroads in states like Kerala, Tamil Nadu and West Bengal. While strong regional parties have 11 states and union territories, the Congress just 7. Assam win revives Amit Shah's image as a master strategist. But the Assam win also proved that the BJP wins where the Congress is its main rival, not the regional parties. These parties now control states with 41% of Indian population, and they will continue to make life difficult for the party till 2019, and 2019 will remain unpredictable because of them. The BJP has entered new territory, increased its vote share, but in parliament equations won't really change. Congress is down in the Rajya Sabha but not out, and Mamata, Jaya and Mayawati, all formidable forces, cannot be taken for granted.
Basically, I am against a BJP ideology, because they always used to divide and rule between the Hindu, Muslims and all these category, Sikh, Ishai and all this. I don't like this.
संघ के सिद्धांत से जो सहमत नहीं, वैसे लोगों को आपस में अधिक से अधिक एकजुटता स्थापित करनी पड़ेगी। हम तो प्रारंभ से बोल रहे हैं।
With the Assam win, pressure will be on the BJP to deliver on the Bangladesh issue. BJP fought Assam under Sarbananda Sonowal. Brand Modi wasn't the sole pitch, sign that the BJP may not expose the Prime Minister in all battles like the next big one, Uttar Pradesh. A loss there will upset BJP's Mission 2019. With Monadeepa Banerjee, Rahul Srivastava for NDTV.